Implant is strong, stable and long-lasting. The titanium screw which is placed inside will fuse with your jawbone, which will help implant to stay firm and long-lasting. When a tooth is missing, the jawbone shrinks over time. An implant will act like a natural root which will keep the bone strong and healthy. If your jawbone has already thinned, or if you have any health conditions like uncontrolled diabetes or heavy smokers, you may need an extra procedure before an implant. Bridges doesn't prevent the bone loss. Since the bridge is sitting on top of the gums and not on the bone, bridges need special cleaning. Food can stuck under the bridge where regular brush can't reach. If a tooth breaks or your gums change over time, the denture can be adjusted, repaired and reshaped at lower cost. Hey everyone, welcome back to Choice of Mine. Today's video is about replacement options for missing tooth. As I mentioned in my last video, a lot of people think missing tooth is just a cosmetic issue. But actually it can affect your chewing, bite, jawbone health and even your facial shape. Let's explore the 3 most common ways to replace your missing tooth: dental implant, dental bridges, removable partial dentures. In this video, we will go through each of these options in details, their advantages and few drawbacks that you have to know before you making a decision. Dental implants. This is the most advanced and natural looking option. An implant is basically a titanium screw that's placed inside your jawbone to act like a tooth root. After the area heals, the crown is placed on the top of it, which will look and feels almost identical to the natural tooth. Implant is strong, stable and long-lasting. The titanium screw which is placed inside will fuse with your jawbone, which will help implant to stay firm and long-lasting. Implant helps to preserve the jawbone. When a tooth is missing, the jawbone shrinks over time. An implant will act like a natural root which will keep the bone strong and healthy. An implant is an independent structure. It stands by its own and it doesn't use any nearby tooth for the support. For placing a screw inside, implant needs a minor surgery and a healing period of 3 to 4 months for the placement of the crown. So it's a big procedure. It runs almost 5 to 6 months of period. Another thing is implant is an expensive option as it requires a minor surgery, lab works and multiple appointments as well. An implant is not suitable for everyone. If your jawbone has already thinned or if you have any health conditions like uncontrolled diabetes or heavy smokers, you may need an extra procedure before an implant. So, if your bone health and budget allows, implant is considered as the best long-term option for everyone. Dental bridges, which is also called fixed dental appliance. A dental bridge works by attaching an artificial tooth with the support of natural teeth on either sides. Getting a fixed dental appliance doesn't require any surgery, which makes it faster and easier than implants. It's a good option if you are looking for a fixed tooth replacement at lower cost. It feels natural and restores the function. Dental bridges are permanently fixed in your mouth, so it doesn't move or need to be taken out to clean like dentures. And it is designed to match the colors and shape of your natural teeth, which gives you smooth and natural look. Drawbacks. To hold the bridge, dentists must file the healthy natural teeth adjacent to the gap to place the crown. Another drawback is bridges doesn't prevent the bone loss. Since the bridge is sitting on top of the gums and not on the bone, it doesn't stop jawbone underneath from shrinking. Bridges need special cleaning. Food can stuck under the bridge where regular brush can't reach. The last one is limited lifespan if the adjacent tooth or gums get damaged or weakened. Removable partial denture. This option uses a custom-made plate or metal frame to hold the artificial tooth, and it fits over your gums and nearby tooth for the support. You can easily remove it from your mouth while cleaning and even while sleeping as well. Removable partial dentures can be made by acrylic, metal, or even flexible materials, and is a simple, non-surgical way to restore your smile and chewing. Advantages of RPD. First one is it's budget friendly. RPD is the most affordable option, which makes them accessible for most people. Non-invasive. There is no surgery, no drilling required for RPD. The denture is made from simple impression or scan, which makes them easy and painless. A single denture can replace one or more missing teeth at once, even if they are in different position of the mouth as well. If a tooth breaks or your gums change over time, the denture can be adjusted, repaired and reshaped at lower cost. Drawbacks. As it is removable, denture may slightly move while eating or chewing, especially in the beginning. Denture must be removed every day for cleaning and before sleeping to keep your mouth clean and the denture fresh and free from bacteria. Denture might feel bulky or uncomfortable at first, and your gums may need a little time to get used to it. Since it rests on the gums instead of being attached to the bone, it doesn't stop bone loss like implants do. Some people notice minor speech differences and change in how the food tastes until they adapt to it. So, to wrap up, all three options has their own place. Implants are most natural and durable option. Bridges are a good middle ground if you're looking for something fixed with low cost. And dentures are great if you are looking for a quick and affordable option. Finally, always talk to your dentist or prosthodontist to find out which option suits you best according to your gum, bone health and your budget. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.